Hello Namaskar everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Ritika and today in this video we'll be doing a project overview of Swastik City Skylight Charholi, which is located near Vageshwarwadi, Charholi, Pune and developed by Swastik developers. So in this video we'll be discussing about below points, which is project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount, offers and many more. But before talking about the details, let me tell you first what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly by the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, if you're just doing an inquiry, your number will be shared with different brokers, resulting a lot of calls. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home directly by the developer through Housey. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट के ओवरव्यू के बारे में. Swastik City Skylight will be constructed on 2 acres of land parcel consisting of one tower. Tower will be having ground plus 2 podium plus 21 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3 BHK duplex premium residences. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं प्रोजेक्ट की सराउंडिंग और कनेक्टिविटी के बारे में. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं मैं एक्चुअली लोकेशन पे खड़ी हूँ ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे बैक हैंड साइड में आप देख सकते हैं रहेगा इनका सेल्स ऑफिस और उसी के साइड में रहेगा इनका लैंड पार्सल. कमिंग टू द लोकेशन पार्ट, प्रोजेक्ट इज जस्ट लोकेटेड नियर दबाड़े सहाकर चौक, चढ़ोड़ी, पुणे. और ये जो रोड जाते हुए देख रहे हैं डायरेक्टली आपको कनेक्ट करता है चढ़ोड़ी रोड से. कमिंग टू द कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट, तो कनेक्टिविटी आपको मिल जाती है पुणे इंटरनेशनल स्कूल विद इन 1.8 किलोमीटर, रिलायंस मार्ट विद इन 2.1 किलोमीटर, अलांदी रोड विद इन 2.9 किलोमीटर. Coming to the amenities part of the project has 20 plus luxurious amenities like clubhouse, senior sit out area, kids play area, gymnasium, jogging track and many more. And now moving forward towards the carpet area of the project, Swastik City Skylight Charholi has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3 BHK duplex premium residences, in which 2 BHK starting from 669 to 799 square feet and 3 BHK starting from 916 to 1012 square feet and 3 BHK duplex starting from 1175 to 1265 square feet carpet area. And now let's talk about the booking process of the project. Project booking windows is open now. Clients can come and visit the site also. Our sales team will explain the complete project along with the 3D model and will share the pricing and payment schemes and show you the actual location tour of the project also. And then if clients like the project, we can continue with the booking process also. So everyone, this was the project overview of Swastik City Skylight Charholi, which is located near Vageshwarwadi, Charholi, Pune and developed by Swastik developers. और अगर आपने ये लोकेशन में और कोई प्रोजेक्ट्स देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं तो do let us know in the comment section, and for more such videos click on the given below link and do like, share and subscribe to Housey on www.housey.com.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.